Hi everyone, you are again with Esha and Muhammad, and we hope you are enjoying learning with us. Today we are going to start our fifth lesson. Today we are going to create our second game in Sprite Lab called Catch the Alien. Wow, that sounds really exciting. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open code.org and log into your account. If you are new and don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can find the link in the description below. First, we need to set up the stage. Isha, what's a stage? A stage is like the stage of a show, background and characters. That's right. Friends, follow the steps with me and let's set up our stage together. Good job! Our stage is now ready. The next step is to add the code that will make our sprites move. This is where the fun begins. We'll tell our sprite how to move around the stage. Stay with us, follow the steps carefully, and code along with us. Awesome! All of our sprites are moving properly now. We are now moving to the last step and adding the logic to our game. In this step, we will make the spaceship catch the aliens. Follow along with us. Let's finish our game together. It's time to run the game. Wow, look at that. Our game is working perfectly. Great job and thank you for watching and coding with us. See you soon. Bye.